I'm Moshe, and today I'm going to play a sequence, transposing sequence in A minor, going by major thirds up. Keys will be A minor, C sharp minor, F minor, and back to A minor. Chords will be second scale degree 9th chord, dominant root position, dominant 7th chord with the 6th instead of the 5th, and tonic chord. Thank you and have fun!